At 10:30, at 8 o'clock last night, Senator Bam Aquino called me up and gave me a tip that there was chatter in Tacloban that there was an impending mass shooting that was about to occur. I immediately referred it to the CIDG, which did an investigation. And here are the results of the investigation. Okay? Hindi marinig? Diyuko pa ako eh. Wala bang... Oh, okay na? Okay na? Hindi pwede lakasan ng volume? Okay? Okay. Okay. Let me read to you the report of the CIDG. Date, June 24, 2026. This report addresses... let me begin again, okay? At 8 o'clock p.m. last night, Senator Bam Aquino called me, and to my estimation, he was in Tacloban. He gave me a tip na sabi niya may chatter daw sa Tacloban na mayroon pang isang impending mass shooting na mangyayari sa Leyte. Ang binigay niyang pangalan, may binigay siyang pangalan at in-investigate kagad namin. So salamat kay Senator Bam Aquino. Ang nakalagay sa report, this report addresses the alleged threat at Tolosa National High School of Tolosa, Leyte. The suspect is accused of planning a mass shooting or stabbing aimed at the school students. The following message written in vernacular was retrieved. And you're gonna have to excuse me, hindi po.
Daily News Central.